How do you get rid of smells in your home? Learn more about essential oils for odor elimination and try these tips today. We all know that there are many ways to eliminate bad smells, but most of them involve chemicals. Chemical-free odor eliminators can be hard to find and often don't work as well. The best way is to use essential oils for odor elimination. Essential oils are natural, chemical-free, and smell amazing. You can easily make a DIY air freshener with essential oils or buy an already made one. Essential oil blends for odor elimination will help you create a healthy household environment without any harmful chemicals. If you have a pet, then you know that your home can quickly become smelly as your furry friend roams around. With essential oils, you can easily eliminate the bad smells and keep your home smelling fresh. A few of my favorite essential oils to eliminate dog odors are lemongrass, lavender, and peppermint. Create a mixture of your favorite essential oil scents for removing odors. Myrtle is a perfect choice for odor elimination. It has a strong, clean scent that works great in any room of the house and fights against mold and bacteria. Lemon is probably the most well-known oil for its clean and fresh smell, which makes it perfect for eliminating household odors. It's also extremely versatile. It works well for any season and can be used with other essential oils to create various beneficial blends. Eucalyptus is considered the most effective when it comes to fighting illness because of its antimicrobial properties. Not only will it effectively get rid of any harmful bacteria, but it also has a very pleasant scent. Tea tree oil is a very powerful essential oil that's best known for its antimicrobial properties. It works great when you want to get rid of the bad smell while also taking care of your health and well-being because it creates a healthy environment in your home. This is ideal for the bathroom. You can use it with vinegar to clean any area of your house that may be prone to mold and mildew. Rosemary oil has a very earthy scent, but it's also really pleasant once you get used to it. It has tons of antimicrobial properties and is very refreshing. The scent will help you feel energized, relaxed, and focused at the same time. Bergamot oil not only smells amazing but also works great for eliminating odors that are caused by mold. In addition, it has a lot of antibacterial properties and is very refreshing. Pine has a very pleasant scent that's also really strong, so you won't have to use too much of it. It works great for any season, and its antimicrobial properties will help keep your home smelling fresh. Spray some of this in stinky shoes. You only need a few drops. Clove has a very spicy scent, which might be too much for some people, but it's worth getting used to it. It's great at neutralizing any bad scents because of its antimicrobial properties. I like to use this in the trash can to neutralize odors. Lavender is one of the most well-known oils because of its pleasant scent, which makes it perfect for any season. It works great when you want to eliminate the odor while also creating a relaxing environment in your home. You can use this with baking soda to freshen your carpet. Just vacuum it up. Check in a small inconspicuous spot first. You can diffuse any of the oils mentioned in your home to get rid of odors with ease. Check out the blog post for more details.